What's up guys, today we are changing the oil in a 2006 Honda Accord Hybrid. We are also going to change these terminals. They are corroded really badly, and they also put a screw in it to keep a connection. This thing loses connection real easily. Every time she has to start up the car, she has to shake. So I'll probably just time lapse this video because I don't know where this oil filter is. So if you see a time lapse, enjoy it. But we're gonna put some work in on it. See what we can do. See what we can do. I'm gonna take a little engine cover off. See what's under there.
It wouldn't be deep back, right?
It shouldn't be further than the motor. Who the fuck zip tied this?
Found it.
Found it?
Yep.
Where is it?
Son, I can't believe you didn't see that.
I may not have looked.
Come look. It's actually really easily accessible. Lay down on that.
Where is it at?
Come on. I'll point to it with the screwdriver.
Oh my god, I didn't even look right there. Jesus.
But your boy got it.
Alright, can you go get the oil pan thing?
Yeah, I got you.
Now let me figure out where to... Oh, engine oil, right there. Hot diggity. It says it word for word. Well, he found it. Well, I should say he found it. Yeah. I'm gonna see if I have the close enough size that I can get this bitch off. Oh hell no, that's way too small. Oh, I need like 17. Yep. So the oil drain plugs are 17. Hand me the bigger one, bigger ratchet, pretty please. Hold up. You can use the flathead to get it.
That'll be 2 handshakes and some dap.
I'll give you those. So you want to tell them how good the seafoam's doing to your car?
Seafoam definitely made my car sound a lot better since we've done it. I mean, we still haven't put in that entire can yet, but I mean, I'm noticing a difference. I haven't really noticed much in the gas mileage though, because I mean, it was shit before since he's helped me change out my brake discs, so it was fighting all that friction in the brakes the whole time, you know, causing me to get lower MPG. But I mean, it's definitely made a difference in the sound of it. It seems like it runs a little smoother.
Yeah, the seafoam definitely helped my miles per gallon.
What do you mean?
Oh shit. Okay, no, it's hot. It burns.
We should have got.
It burns.
We should have got a fucking some gloves, dog.
All right, so the seafoam that I put in the car, I couldn't put a full can of it in there in the throttle body, just because it was the aerosol ran out. Because the can was kind of upside down, you need to keep it straight. Just the angle that's in the car just didn't work out. But I have noticed a 2 mpg gain. I'm getting better gas mileage, and whenever I touch the gas, it goes now. The acceleration's just it's great. It feels like when the car was brand new. You can definitely tell a difference. I recommend seafoam in your car. Don't get the shit to put in your crankcase. Apparently it can ruin the piston rings. That's why I didn't do it. But other than that, the seafoam is a great investment, especially when you have an older car or a car with a lot of miles. Like my 2011 Challenger, it has almost 200,000 miles on it. So that car's gone everywhere. So I've definitely noticed the difference. It's definitely gotten the carbon deposits off of everything, and it's running great. Now we just gotta get this thing running. This girl was supposed to get an oil change. Party foul. Supposed to get an oil change at 96,000 miles. This thing has 106,000 miles on it, so definitely need one. Wire snips, just cut it there. Or should I not?
You got dikes? Yeah, I give you some dikes.
Alright, so I'm just gonna make a quick little cut, a little quick incision, if you will. I'm gonna do it up here so I know. Yeah, that's corroded from here to here, and it's probably even corroded over here, but I think we can clean those wires up so we don't have to take too much. I mean,
You'd probably use some Coke on something.
Yeah, I mean, we can't take too much of it off anyway because there's not that much wire in here. Damn, look at the battery terminals. They're all like chopped up. That's where they put the screw, where it's all in, like dented there.
Yeah, this is what the new terminal is gonna look like. So
yeah, it's not gonna be this little.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's bad there. I'll cut there and then move everything out the way.
Definitely just be careful when you're working around electricity, especially DC, because I mean that's direct current. You're not having the fluctuation with your highs and lows. If you get shocked, that shit's gonna be a pain in your fucking ass. It's straight voltage nonsense.
Tell him about the story of the dude that got shocked by all that other shit, and he said he hates 12 DC.
Yeah.
Or just DC in general.
Yeah, plenty of people have gotten shocked by, you got 277, 480, 120. Obviously, your 480 is going to be worse, but getting shocked by a lower voltage DC, that's going to hurt like a motherfucker just because you're not getting that jump in power.
I'm just going to cut some of the sheathing away so that we can get to the bare wire. Yeah, so I guess a little update on what I want to do with my channel. I just started out. I'm pretty small, Definitely not nowhere big like TJ Hunt or Chris Fix, but that's who really got me wanting to do this, was Chris Fix and TJ Hunt. That's another thing, guys. If you have any suggestions on videos, I'm always open. It's always more content and something that y'all would want to see. I'm always open. This goes on for the future too. I'm always open for suggestions. This mind's always thinking of shit to do, but sometimes it needs a little bit of Kickstarter. Damn, that's corroded bad, boy. Those are fine, I'll keep those, but these, I don't know how much I gotta cut off this.
Just make sure you have enough to maneuver that. Like, what does that go into? Is that your negative or your positive?
This is both positive. This all hooks up to one terminal, yeah. That's the negative down there. It's got open wire way down there. That's not good. Let that settle for a second. I'll get the jack stands out from under her car. This was Redneck Official coming at you with a new video. I hope to see y'all again soon. I got a big road trip coming up. Might videotape some of it. I don't know yet. Have a great day.
But buddy, if you're betting, I'll be betting on a hell of a time. Cause we're gonna party like cowboys, pop out the big toys, pour on the gasoline.